Now we'll go to questions related to interest on loan to the firm by the partner and loan by the firm to the partner. So interest on loan to the firm by the partner is a liability to the firm, and this is an asset to the firm. Okay, in the case of a liability, it is mandatory for the firm to pay an interest to the partner irrespective of whether there's a partnership deed or not. Akhil and Bimal are partners, sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. There are two partners in Akhil and Bimal. They are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Akhil gave a loan to the firm of rupees 1 lakh on 1st January. Okay, now Akhil has given a loan to the firm, so the firm is liable to pay interest on loan to Akhil. On the same date, the firm gave a loan to Bimal for rupees 1 lakh. Now over here, the firm has given a loan to Bimal. So since this is an asset to the firm Bimal is not liable to pay interest on loan to the firm unless and until it is mentioned in the partnership deed. They do not have an agreement as to the interest. Akhil had also given his personal property for firm's godown at a monthly rent of rupees 5,000. So the firm is liable to pay Akhil a monthly rent. The firm earned a profit of rupees 1,03,000 before above adjustments for the year ended 31st March. Show the distribution of profits for the year. Okay, now let's begin with the sum. First, we'll calculate the interest on loan amount to be given to Akhil. Okay, Akhil had given a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. Okay, so the interest rate is 6%. So it is 6 by 100 into number of years. Into number of months. How many months are there? January, February, March. He gave a loan only for 3 months. So we'll write 3 by 12. So his interest would be rupees 1,500. Okay, this is Akhil's interest. Now Akhil also got rent. Right, he rented his property to the firm, so Akhil also gets rent paid to Akhil. How much did he rented at a rate of rupees 5,000 per month? So it's 5,000 into 12. Akhil gets a rent of rupees 60,000. Now these have to be adjusted along with the profits. How much profit did the firm earn? Profits before the adjustment was rupees 1,03,000. So from this profits of 1,03,000, we will be subtracting the interest on loan, which is 1,500, and we'll also be subtracting the rent. How much is the rent? 60,000. So now the profits after adjustments would be 41,500. This is your profits after adjustments, or you can say the net profits as well. Now in this profit of 41,500 is going to be divided between the two partners. See, this profit of 41,500 will be divided between the partners Akhil and Bimal in the ratio of 3:2. This is the profit sharing ratio. Okay, so now let's divide the profits between the two partners. Akhil's share of profit would be 41,500 into 3. He gets 3 parts out of the total 5 parts. Okay, so 3 by 5. And Bimal's share of profit would be again rupees 41,500 into Bimal is entitled to get 2 parts out of the 5 parts. So Akhil will be given, when we divide, this comes up to rupees 24,900, and for Bimal it comes up to rupees 16,600. So these are the profits of the two partners, Akhil and Bimal.